Hi guys, my name is Maria Morales, but you can call me Katarina. And what I do is talent manager po. Ganun ang atake.
Wow.
Yes.
Um,
For this production, masaya siya kasi unang-una sa lahat. Kasi ano? Hindi. Sobrang saya kasi first time kong maka-join sa Cameo and binigyan ako ng ganitong opportunity. Tapos yung mga hinahandle ko were not just like co-workers but it's like a family. Everyday masaya kami pumapasok. Favorite part, madami. Charis! Charis lang, darling. Ang favorite part ko siguro is yung nagkaroon ng collab with the Mercantil kasi pasok nyo na. Kasi like big help sila sa amin. Lalo na yung mga ganito ka-atake, may light siya. Like, see? Ganun na ka-atake. Yun po.
okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Accepted. Thank you. See?